Hey everyone, Chris Collier here with Collier RV. Today we're joined by Kenny Jones, who's a regional sales rep, senior sales rep for Gulfstream Vintage Cruiser, which is a retro brand we carry. We picked them up this year. We're really excited about it. Kenny's been with the company for...
This is my 19th year.
So he knows
going on 20 years, and yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so he's going to give us kind of the lowdown. So we're going to go through a list of questions. You ready, Kenny?
I am.
Let's go. Cool. So first off, what sets Vintage Cruiser apart from other small towable manufacturers in this price or weight class?
Well, a couple things is Gulfstream Coach, we are a family-owned coach versus a big corporate company. We can give a little more attention on detail, and we can do some really cool things that most of your big corporate companies can't, including the awesome colors. This is just behind us here with the Laura Ashley itself. So we can offer you some different different color combinations, different interior combinations. And we just offer a lot of that one-on-one with the customers and dealership employees.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's kind of one of the hidden secrets of the RV business. It's a couple big corporations right now that own the majority of the market, so it's really nice to get an independent and nice to get somebody who can call, pick up their phone right away.
Absolutely. And Gulfstream and Collier RV, my very first RV show I ever worked in the business all those years ago was with the Collier family at Chicago, so we have a huge history there.
Absolutely, we do. So, question 2, how would you describe the target customer for a Vintage Cruiser?
I am one of the few reps that get to go out. I go to all the Vintage Cruiser rallies, me and our team there at Gulfstream. I get to actually go out and camp in these things quite a bit. My target usually is that 55 and older crowd. That seems to be who really grabs a hold of this. With our crimsons, our turquoise, or our Laura Ashleys, or the knotty pine. It reminisces back to a time in their lives, I feel, that was really enjoyable for them. The other thing too is we're getting a lot of younger customers now that are starting to get into the retro blast from the past type stuff. So it's nice to see those customers come in too. So, I'm heavily that usually 55 and older, kind of starting to retire, getting into camping, and then I have a lot of people that have traded in their Class C's or Class A motorhomes on these, which still kind of blows my mind on certain days, but they want to get into something where maybe they can just drive down to Tommy and Susie and see the grandkids, or maybe they have a cabin and they just want something small to run down that has some character.
Sure, absolutely.
So it's not your typical gray on gray on gray.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So, yeah, I think you mentioned you sold somebody was 18, somebody was 83. So between them,
I've sold everybody from 18 to 83. So we don't ever want to put our product in the so-called peripheral box, but we offer a lot and a lot of features and a lot of just common sense stuff that you need.
So speaking of that, what are some of the key features? I know we just did some training. I learned a bunch, but if you could point out just a couple things that might be different on a Vintage.
One of the biggest things on Vintage right from the beginning is it's a single piece roof all the way around. Some of the biggest problems we had in our business is the roof maintenance, the two seams maintenance, and the four corners on a typical RV roof. Those are a higher maintenance issue where you have to continuously watch them and stuff like that. With this roof here, it's a single piece roof all the way around. It's fiberglass all the way around. So there's no seams, there's no corners. There's really, on a service site, there's really only two seams you need to worry about and a couple physical seals around some items that are placed on there, like the AC, the antenna. So just right off the bat, that's a huge advantage. The other thing too is the Asdel composite behind the fiberglass. Unless somebody tells you that when you're at a dealership, you really won't know it, besides the sticker on the side. But Asdel doesn't rot, mold, mildew, it never wicks water. And in the 15 years we've used Asdel, we've had 0 delaminations as a manufacturer. So this is an investment. We've taken that investment and we secured that investment. So we kind of do that, and then so it gives if a guy's going to use it for 5 years, 10 years, or 50 years, you want that thing to stay together and look as good now as it did 20 years ago. So that's basically my big features.
Okay, good. And then construction, we learned a little bit as far as being a 6-sided aluminum cage.
Yep.
And then you were saying the walls actually are mounted to the floor, correct?
Yes, in this business, to save some time, especially in your entry level products, they'll take the walls and they'll put them on the side of the floors, okay? And they'll hang all, we call that in our business, this is the dead weight, overall weight. That hangs on the side of the walls, and it wears differently, and it tows differently than a unit that has a full floor, has the walls on top of the floor, and then the ceiling put on top of the walls. Our stuff is very unique in the fact that it is a welded aluminum versus a pop riveted or screwed together, so it gives you that rigidity of the wall. And that is how we do our big stuff too, like our big fiberglass trailers or our big motorhomes we build at Gulfstream as well. It offers that unique ability. I don't run a huge number of these every day. I can't. These are a limited amount that we can run every day. And what that does is it makes it so we, instead of putting out 20 or 25 a day like a lot of the big manufacturers do, we're putting 5 or 10 of these out a day. Kind of depends on the line and the time of the year. So you just get a better quality. It's a better quality, it's a better product. We use a higher end product in it, and it can get that fit and finish that everybody wants.
Well, I was impressed. I didn't realize in the training how much of this you actually build, because they're RV manufacturers, but many of them are just assemblers. They're taking the bits and pieces and putting them together, whereas you're actually constructing a lot of this material, correct?
We are. The entire cabinets in here, a lot of your, like I said, the big corporate manufacturers, a lot of those guys will buy their cabinets. They don't have in-house facilities to build a booth. They don't have the facilities, the stuff foam inside of a seat cushion. We actually build all these cabinets. These are put together by Ken and his crew in our cabinet shop. We have an in-house cabinet shop. They're all Amish-made pocket screw cabinetry. So if you went into your higher end cabinet shops, a lot of those guys, the first thing they're going to tell you is it's a hardcore lumber. The reason why that is a lot of people will use like a paper board, or they'll use like an OSB board cabinetry. I don't use that. This is actually a hardwood lumber core cabinet on there that's wrapped, and we pocket screw it so it doesn't warp. It's not going to move around on you. It's going to stay where it's supposed to be, and that's a huge advantage that people don't know about us.
Absolutely. And you said you were just at a rally recently, right?
Yep, we were down in Kentucky.
Okay. Well, that's awesome. And you said it was it 100 vintage cruisers?
Yeah, we had 100 vintage cruisers down there. We have rallies all over the country. I know they have one up at Door County. We are putting together the Illinois group here. I'm gonna get with you guys and get see if we can get us a group put together up here for you guys.
Yeah, excellent.
We have a loyal following with these things, and after all these years, it still amazes me on how many people will reach out to me and say, hey, we have a vintage and we want another one, or we want this, or my cousin needs a vintage, or it's great to see the following that this has had over these last 15, 20 years.
Yeah, and I'd say from our perspective, from vintages we've gotten traded in, they've all been in great shape, and that's usually a testament. Sometimes you get, certain brands, you're like, oh no, we're getting a 4-year-old, whatever. Yeah. But these come in good. Seems like people take good care of them. But what kind of feedback did you receive at the rally?
It was great. They love their units. They just love how much they get with the coach itself. You're not having to go out and purchase a bunch of extra stuff afterwards like you do on some campers. They come lithium-ion ready. They come with the 15K air with a soft start. They come with onboard solar. Yeah. Onboard solar panels are already on there, and it's upgradable. So we give you that base on what you need. And depending on how you do it per your use, that you and your dealer can work together with you and get it exactly on how you want it. So we give you that ability instead of having to fork out a bunch of cash right at the beginning to add all that stuff. We put it right in from the factory.
Yeah, that's excellent. So then, as far as your model lineup, I believe everything we have in stock right now is a 2026. Is there what's new for 2026, and then do you have anything coming down that people should know about?
Yeah, absolutely. So on 2026, some of the couple big things that we added an on-off switch on the front, which doesn't sound like a big deal, but we recently found out that you have to have the correct switch on the front to be lithium-ion ready. So that's what we've added that. We've upgraded our tongue jack to a little more heavy duty. The soft start 15K air, that's something that we added, and we added the instant hot water heater. We went away from one brand and we went to one of the highest brands that we considered in the business. And what's the name of that?
Fugatti. I'll never forget that. This locked in my head.
I couldn't get it off the tip of my tongue.
You can't forget about it.
But yeah, you know, the biggest thing that I say is we watch what we do. We watch what you guys do as customers. We want to see what is this customer A doing with this? What is customer B doing with this? And how can we make that experience better for them? Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's what I have on that. And
excellent. And then as far as I know, I like Vintage too. They have the standard equipment's really good. What can a customer get for the upgrades? I know we're standing in front of a Laura Ashley, which is an upgrade. Yep. If you could talk about the Laura Ashley, or if there's any other options a customer could order.
So there is a couple options. So every year we bring out a special unit. This year was the Laura Ashley. It has accounted for so much of our business, we decided to go ahead and run it for another year. It literally is about 25% of our business this last 12 months. It is an upgrade package. It comes directly from Laura Ashley, America. Laura Ashley, she was a big environmental, love camping, stuff like that over in Europe. She has a huge product line called Ashley Interiors, Ashley Online. And in fact, if you went on their blog, you can pull up all the advertising they've done with this unit across the world. We have people all over the world that have these. We've actually shipped some of these to down in New Zealand, Australia. They've gone that way. I know they've sent some over the pond. So you have this, another couple of the options that we offer. You can get a old school grill for the back. And also you can upgrade to the Knotty Pine interior on here. The Knotty Pine is like that woody wagon, grandma's basement type deal. Number 2 Knotty Pine if you're looking for the stain. Yeah. So it's pretty cool because I remember my grandmother's basement, going there on Christmas, and I remember that exact same paneling. So it always has a good feeling for me when I see it. But that by far has been our number 1 interior for years, has been that. So we're pretty proud of that. And then to look forward to something new, we this last September we unveiled our brand new Maputo interior, which happens to be the same cabinets that are in this Laura Ashley, but you now can get this cabinet in the Laura Ashley, or you can get this Maputo cabinet in a red one if that's something that tickles your fancy. So we'll get some new pictures to you guys and some pictures for that to look forward to. So
excellent.
Yep.
Excellent. Well, let's touch a little bit on service after the sale. Obviously, it's a big challenge in the RV industry. We work hard here to try to do everything we can after the sale, and I know Gulfstream does as well. You were mentioning, which I found interesting, you were talking about the differences on a structural warranty with Gulfstream versus, the rest of the industry likes to put the sticker on, but it may not cover tons of things. So what does your actual warranty cover, what does your structural, and what does Gulfstream do after the sale?
So over the last, especially 10 years at Gulfstream, we really strengthened up our service side of this. It's as only good as what is what we put out there on how you can get parts and stuff like that. So what we did is we added a thing that's called Gulfstream Coach University. There's a QR code inside of every trailer built. I really didn't get to cover this in our previous thing. But what that does is you QR code your phone with it and you click it. It's going to take you to a secret ownership, Gulfstream ownership webpage. Okay? We actually show in there every manufacturer of every piece that we put into this trailer. So we've gone in and said, this manufacturer did the AC, this manufacturer did the fridge, this manufacturer, this is who we got the aluminum from, this is where the frame comes from. We put their email addresses, their webpage addresses, and all their phone numbers, because you're not always going to be able to call a Collier RV or call Kenny at Gulfstream. You're going to have to, there's sometimes, 4 or 5 years down the road, you might have to call Furion because you're having an issue with your air conditioner. We want to make sure that you have that material up to date in your hand, and as far as I know that I'm one of the only manufacturers that are doing that.
Yeah, it's rare.
So we go back every year, we reevaluate that list, say, okay, we need to add, we need to subtract, what do we need to do? Also on the 3-year warranty, that structural components, everything like that. Like, with that being said, all our cabinets and everything in there, that is a cabinet that is warranted. Okay, we build those cabinets. That is a Gulfstream product. We put a screw in it. Okay, the sidewalls, the floors, the ceilings, the single piece roof all the way around. You know, we offer that. We offer that, and we stand behind that 3-year warranty.
Awesome, excellent. Well, if it's all right, we're going to close with a couple of rapid fire questions.
Okay, let's go.
Right. So what's an underrated feature on Gulfstream, on Vintage Cruiser?
The Vintage Cruiser, the unrated feature, because in our world it's so used to it, is Azdel composite. I personally would not buy a trailer if I was buying it in with the fiberglass, regardless of what model it was. I'm a huge fan of Azdel or some sort of composite behind the fiberglass.
Yeah, no rot, no mildew.
No rot, no mildew. It saves your investment.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, what's your personal favorite model?
23 RSS, well, actually it's a 23 TWS.
Okay.
We have a unique, we have had this for pre-COVID, we had it, and we kind of held on to it during COVID. We have a bed in the front that goes into a 32 by 80 twin beds, and then it has a center section that pulls out and you put it into a Super King. I don't know any other 19 footers in the business that have a Super King in the front. The newest thing that we're working on right now, we're trying to turn that little, we call it a bunk piece. We're trying to turn that into, we had an idea from Hershey, from a customer, that they wanted that to turn into a little table. So we're gonna put some legs and stuff on the bottom.
Oh, cool.
And make it into a little table, if they like that, and make it so you can sit back there and have your little snack or whatever you want in your bed if you want. So we have figured out through multiple surveys and stuff like that the twin bed is a huge deal.
Okay.
I look at, I hate to name drop, but like Airstream. One of my good friends is an Airstream that runs all that, and that is one of their top sellers is that twin bed. So we have seen very successful numbers with it, and especially now one of our biggest competitors has discontinued their product. I'm kind of the only one left in the game.
Okay.
So when it comes to that, so yeah, that's a huge deal.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So,
all right. You tell customers to close out. If you tell customers one reason to choose your brand, what would it be?
family owned. We're family owned. There's not many reps in this business that will hand out their personal cards at shows. I tell salespeople, give them my card. Give them my card. I don't have anybody or anything to hide from. I am a frontline rep. I talk to the customers. I'm friends with a lot of our customers. There's not many dealers east of the Mississippi. I don't know after 20 years, and I don't even know probably half of them west of the Mississippi. But yeah, it's that family-owned aspect of this. I can immediately make changes. Like if you have a problem, I literally walk down to the owner's office that's 3 doors down from me. There's an advantage to that. So I go down there and say, I have this problem, this is how I want to fix it, this is what we're going to do, and he says yes or no. I don't get no very often. I'm a little spoiled.
Yeah, I'm sure you're in good standing.
I'm in good standing. So,
well, that's awesome.
but yeah, no, I love that we have got our relationship here and with you and your family, and it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, we're really, really excited about it. So well,
cool.
Thank you so much for your time, Kenny. We
appreciate
really
you.
appreciate it.
Yep.
You can find more information, obviously, at Collier RV. We're kind of the Midwest dealer of Illinois, 2 locations. And then also you could find certainly information on.
Yep, Gulfstream Coach, and then I'm K Jones at GulfstreamCoach.com. Send me if you got any questions on anything, or call these guys and they can get a hold of me and give you my information, and we'll get you taken care of. This is your new home for Vintage Cruiser in that northern Illinois area in southern Wisconsin.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you.